So, this is the story behind the construction of the world's largest and most expensive superyachts, built inside gigantic shipyards. Building them in these shipyards costs anywhere from hundreds of millions to over $1 billion, depending on their size and features. And the production process you are about to see is truly breathtaking. So the first phase of building a superyacht is mainly design and engineering. This stage is very important because these yachts are so big, complex, and custom-made. Right now, you're watching the hull of the yacht being welded at the Lürssen shipyard in Germany. It usually takes 3 to 5 years to build a superyacht, from the first plans to the day it's ready to sail. There are only about 60 of the world's largest superyachts. Currently, only about 2 to 4 superyachts of this size are built in the world each year. Besides manual welding, CNC machines are increasingly used for cutting and shaping hull components. Hulls are usually made from aluminum or steel, while superstructures often use lighter composites to improve stability. Cutting-edge materials and techniques like carbon fiber masts or hybrid propulsion systems are commonly used. Only a few superyachts are built each year, making them extremely rare. The world's top shipyards usually produce just a handful annually, ensuring that every yacht receives meticulous attention and exceptional craftsmanship. Now, this dry dock is flooded after the assembly of the megayacht Lürssen Blue is complete. This megayacht is over 500 feet long and ranks among the top 5 longest yachts in the world. It can accommodate 48 guests and 32 crew members. The scale and complexity of such a build make it one of the most ambitious superyacht projects of recent years. This specific mega yacht uses a diesel-electric hybrid propulsion system developed in-house by Lürssen. It can run in electric mode for slower speeds and lower emissions, or switch to diesel propulsion when higher speeds are needed. The owner of this superyacht is the Vice President of the United Arab Emirates. Its estimated build cost is around $750 million. This is how the 300-foot superyacht Norn by Lürssen Yachts touched the water for the first time. The design is bold and unique, with a reverse bow and sharp lines that make it stand out among other superyachts. The superyacht industry is truly global, with shipyards, designers, and suppliers spread across key locations worldwide. Major production hubs include the Netherlands, Italy, France, the United States, and the United Kingdom. Every yacht is almost entirely custom-built for the owner. No two superyachts are identical. Interiors can include cinemas, spas, swimming pools, helipads, submarines, or even ice rinks. More than 2,800 highly skilled employees work at this shipyard dedicated exclusively to the creation of world-class superyachts. This is what the 374-foot Lürssen Superyacht Cosmos looks like. It is the first Lürssen yacht equipped with methanol fuel cell technology, allowing near-zero emissions when cruising at slow speeds. One of the most unique features is the owner's private study under a glass dome, connected to a sky terrace with 360-degree views. Building it required specially bent glass. The shipyard's production halls are positioned directly alongside a canal with direct access to the sea, making the launch and transport process highly efficient, as you can see right now. After a superyacht is fully constructed and launched, it usually needs help to leave the dock. Tugboats gently push or pull the yacht to guide it out of the shipyard canal or dry dock. This is important because superyachts are very large and heavy, and maneuvering in tight spaces can be difficult. You are now seeing the production process at Abeking Rasmussen. The shipyard has 5 spacious production halls that can accommodate vessels up to 410 feet in length. Facilities include an inner harbor, a synchrolift, and specialized workshops for processing steel, aluminum, non-magnetic steel, and composite materials. Right now, you're seeing the main production hall in Lemwerder, Germany. This is the 390-foot-long motor yacht Liva, the largest ever built by Abeking Rasmussen. The yacht cost over $300 million, and the owner is billionaire Stephen Ornstein, whose net worth is estimated at around $2 billion. The black-hulled design features a clean, minimalist silhouette. For instance, the anchor pockets were omitted to preserve uninterrupted lines, replaced with underwater anchors on the keel. There is a 52-foot-long hatch on the port side for the tender garage, which stores a large dayboat behind it. An underwater Neptune lounge has a big window that gives unique views below the waterline. The yacht also has a fully certified helicopter landing pad on the sky deck. You are now seeing the unfinished Superyacht Liva as it leaves the port of Lemwerder and is moved to another area of the shipyard. Since it couldn't yet be launched into the water, it was transported on a special barge. This shipyard's production halls are built for high-precision manufacturing and are equipped with gas supply and welding fume extraction systems, dust and gas removal, ground-controlled cranes, and other specialized equipment. This yacht manufacturer focuses on innovation. They use laser welding methods to create smoother hulls, making them stronger and giving a better finish. They engage in advanced material work, research into lightweight construction, bonding technologies, additive manufacturing, AI-enhanced processes. The helipad is on the sky deck, making it easy to reach the top of the yacht. It is fully certified and meets international safety standards for helicopters at sea. This allows the owner and guests to arrive directly by helicopter, offering privacy, speed, and convenience. I think this super yacht, together with Benetti Luminosity, is one of the most stunning yachts on the oceans. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Abeking and Rasmussen use laser welding techniques to ensure the hull plating is extraordinarily smooth and precisely finished, helping reduce rework and enhance aesthetics. The yacht uses a sophisticated diesel-electric system with dual electric motors and multiple Caterpillar generators, providing quiet, low-vibration operation. It has a range of over 7,100 nautical miles at 15 knots. This is the Rossinavi shipyard. It is an Italian shipyard located in Viareggio that builds steel and aluminum superyachts. Their production facilities include workshops for metal fabrication, hull and superstructure construction, assembly, and finishing. The shipyard emphasizes that more than half of the craftsmanship in their yachts is done by hand, and all work is done in-house. This is the manufacturing process of Seawolf X. It is a 140-foot-long aluminum catamaran. The hull and superstructure were fabricated at Rossinavi's Viareggio site using aluminum, which allows for a lighter weight and more efficient performance. Onboard artificial intelligence monitors energy usage, guest needs, battery state, and prompts low-impact behavior on board. This is another of the super yachts built by Abeking and Rasmussen at their shipyard in Lemwerder, Germany. It is named Aviva and was contracted, designed, and delivered to British businessman Joe Lewis for use as his personal home vessel. Before the superyacht Liva, Aviva was the largest yacht built by this manufacturer. Right now, you can see how this beautiful super yacht was completed inside the production hall and slowly moved onto the water. It is a relatively tall vessel designed for long-term living. The project demonstrates how superyacht manufacturing increasingly involves high-end technology, hybrid propulsion, advanced hull design, huge customized interior volumes. It is also an example of how superyachts are more than leisure vessels. The owner intended it as a mobile office, influencing manufacture beyond typical luxury yachts. Based on the most detailed facility report, with a site covering about 20 acres and roughly 280,000 square feet of indoor production space, the estimate of around 500 employees seems accurate for the shipyard's operations. Right now, you can see the largest production hall that this shipyard has. It was here that the Superyacht Viva was assembled in 2017, and more recently, the Superyacht Liva was completed here last year. This is the 260-foot Superyacht Excellence, which was built in 2019. Its construction features a steel hull and an aluminum superstructure. One of her most distinctive features is the triple-height glass atrium and large floor-to-ceiling mirrored glass panels, especially around the owner's deck and bridge area, giving it an almost spaceship-like appearance. This superyacht is available for charter at approximately $1.15 million per week during the peak season. With in-house textiles, steel, aluminum, wood outfitting, this allows high quality and customization. Because they are family-owned and boutique compared to megayachts, clients often benefit from closer attention, flexibility, and confidentiality. These yachts typically spend less than 20% of their year underway. When in port, many continue to emit carbon dioxide from diesel-powered generators that support any guests or crew on board. Billionaires use these super yachts to travel the world. They have complete comfort on board, including a helicopter for transportation, dock in port, and discover the most beautiful places in the world. Owners often take their friends, family, or business partners on their super yachts for exclusive trips. Usually, the capacity of these yachts ranges from 10 to 30 people. There are almost always more crew members aboard a super yacht than the number of people it can accommodate. Over the last 30 years, the trend for luxury yachts has been to gradually increase the overall length. To put it in perspective, a single super yacht can weigh as much as 40 Airbus 380 aircraft, and the crew on the largest mega yachts often exceeds 100 people. This is how the launch of the Yacht BEL-1 took place. Its construction began in March 2021 and was completed in March 2024. The shipyard handled both hull and superstructure fabrication, custom outfitting, and integration of design features. Rossi Navi, working in collaboration with design studios, emphasized full custom-build approach. This is the 74 steel superyacht from the San Lorenzo shipyard. This model represents the yard's entry into the largest scale of this line, a step up in both size and complexity. San Lorenzo's superyacht manufacturing is carried out across several Italian shipyards, notably in La Spezia, Ameglia, Viareggio, Massa, and Arbatax in Sardinia. The use of hybrid propulsion means that space normally used for large engine rooms or auxiliary machinery can be reduced or repositioned. This is what it looks like inside the Princess Yacht shipyard. It is a British manufacturer of not only super yachts, it is based in the port of Plymouth, England. The production process begins in the design office, where every detail of the yacht is carefully planned. While the first sections of the hull are being welded, the interior components are produced simultaneously. Woodworking plays a crucial role in building luxury yachts. Thousands of individual parts are crafted from fine wood to achieve the perfect finish. Depending on the yacht model, dozens of types of wood are used. Princess yachts have a huge warehouse in the halls near Plymouth. From beautifully finished bulkheads and doors to expertly crafted furnishings, down to the wooden panels hidden beneath carpets and linings. Thanks to today's CNC machines, the production of wooden parts is more precise and faster. The smallest wooden parts gradually become bigger and bigger. They are put together into large parts. Many of the joinery skills used by these woodworkers have changed little over the centuries, but more modern equipment has helped make the process easier and more efficient than traditional methods. Now the protective resin layer is being sprayed onto the underside of the yacht, a crucial step that prevents any water from penetrating the hull. The yacht is slowly starting to take shape. The keel is still being refined into its final form. Across the shipyard hall, the yacht's framework is carefully moved by overhead cranes, as sections of the upper deck are gradually fitted onto the hull, piece by piece, like a giant jigsaw puzzle. At the same time, the engine has been fully assembled and is now being hoisted above the yacht by an overhead crane. Skilled operators will precisely lower the finished diesel engine into the hull of the future vessel. Once the engine is installed, the upper deck of the new Princess Yachts model will be secured in place, marking another major milestone in the yacht's construction. Superyachts, often described as symbols of immense wealth and extravagant consumption, have long been the subject of controversy due to their significant environmental impact. According to some estimates, a superyacht is the single most polluting asset an individual can own, even more so than a private jet. Now, the yacht may look almost complete, but in reality, most of the work is only just beginning. The interior assembly starts once all the main structural components of the yacht have been put together. Princess Yachts currently employs over 3,000 people and produces around 300 boats and yachts each year. Just like woodworking, metalwork is an essential part of the yacht building process. Inside every yacht, there are dozens, sometimes even hundreds, of kilometers of electrical wiring. Every cable must be carefully installed and precisely mapped according to the yacht's detailed plans. While smaller yachts, typically up to about 80 feet in length, are often built from fiberglass, larger vessels are usually constructed from steel, aluminum, or advanced composite materials. These larger yachts, commonly over 130 feet in length, fall into the superyacht category. Around 80% of all superyacht owners are men. The yachting world, including its technology and design culture, has traditionally been seen as a distinctly masculine domain. Nearly half of the world's megayachts are owned by wealthy individuals from the Gulf region, reflecting a strong concentration of ownership in that part of the world. Another fascinating trend is the changing age of owners. In recent years, the average age of superyacht owners has been decreasing as more young entrepreneurs and tech billionaires are able to afford yachts worth hundreds of millions of dollars. In the world of superyachts, privacy is paramount. These vessels often serve as floating homes for their billionaire owners who value discretion and spend a great deal of time aboard. Beyond the use of luxury materials, it's the dedication, care, and precision of the craftsmen that truly define the quality of these yachts. This superyacht is the Princess 40M. It measures over 130 feet in length and is powered by twin MTU 12-valve 4000 M93L engines. Inside, the yacht offers expansive sunbathing areas, a spa bath, elegantly designed dining spaces, and a luxurious beach club entrance. Completed yachts of all sizes are often transported not only to their future owners, but also to international boat shows, as you can see right now. In this case, the massive vessel must be delivered to the exhibition center in Düsseldorf, Germany. Transporting a yacht of this size involves a combination of travel by sea, river, and even road. The entire process is managed by Princess Yacht staff in cooperation with specialized heavy transport companies. Although this operation is costly, the sale of just one yacht can easily offset the expenses. A yacht's first contact with the sea is traditionally celebrated by breaking a bottle of champagne against its hull, a long-standing maritime tradition. Since 1965, Princess Yachts has been dedicated to crafting luxury vessels that offer voyages of endless possibility. The company continues this legacy today, building yachts of global acclaim in the southwest of England. The yacht's interior is remarkably spacious, enhanced by sweeping panoramic windows that flood the rooms with natural light. Today, Princess Yachts operates in 119 countries, with shipyards covering a combined area of more than 1.1 million square feet.